My name is Emily Bagott, and I'm a student studying marketing at Washington State University, and I will be graduating in May of 2022. I chose to participate in the mentorship program because I had just transferred to WSU my junior year and was looking for a few other things to do, participate in, and saw the mentorship program and thought it'd be a great way to bounce ideas off of people, get resume help, and that sort of thing. So I signed up and found the best mentor. We start out just kind of having a personal conversation. Since she's from where I'm from, we talk about what's going on over here, what's going on in her life. We really have a nice personal connection, and then we talk about how my classes are going, if there's any way she can help with classes, read papers. She's gone over papers with grammar for me before, which was incredible. And then we talk about kind of the future and if she can get me in contact with anybody for next steps. Being from where I'm from, small town like she is, I didn't think that I could be a president or be a leader in a big company. So she was able to open my mind to that and also give me advice on interviews and resume help and that kind of thing. And that has been incredible help for me. I'd say I'm a lot more ready to enter the workforce after meeting with her, and I know I'll have her as a mentor for a very long time. I'm a lot more confident in myself as a leader and as a future business person, and I think she's heavily responsible for that.